John Alessandro Vida from BS Cream 3 India. Today, I will tackle the similarities and the difference of the Juvenile Welfare Act of the Philippines, or also known as the RA 9344, and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from the United States of America. First, let's have a brief explanation about what is Juvenile Welfare Act of the Philippines, or also known as RA 9344, and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from the United States of America.
Republic Act No. 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2026, is a Philippine law that established a comprehensive system for juvenile justice and welfare. It aims to protect the rights of children in conflict with the law and ensure their rehabilitation, reintegration, and restoration to society instead of subjecting them to punitive measures. The Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act, originally enacted in 1974, is a landmark law in the United States aimed at addressing juvenile delinquency through prevention programs and promoting effective juvenile justice practices. The law provides federal funding to states to improve their juvenile justice system and ensure the protection of youth involved in the system.
And now, we're going to the main topic of this video, the similarities and the difference of RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from the United States of America.
The difference of RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act of the United States of America. Number 1. Age of responsibility. RA 9344, children under 15 cannot be held criminally responsible, while JJDPA, the age varies by state but most set at 18 with some exception. Number 2. Detention. RA 9344 prohibits children from being detained with adults, while JJDPA similar rule but some state allow exception for severe crimes. Number 3. Restorative justice. RA 9344 focus strongly on reconciliation between offenders, victims, and the community, while the JJDPA encourage rehabilitation but doesn't always require restorative practices. Number 4. Scope. RA 9344, a single law applies across the Philippines, while JJDPA, federal guidelines but state create their own specific laws. Number 5. Cultural focus. RA 9344 addresses issues like poverty, lack of education, and child labor, while the JJDPA focuses on drug use, gang activity, and systematic issues in development country. In short, RA 9344 is stricter on restorative justice and uniformity, while JJDPA allows more flexibility for each US state. Now, the similarities of RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from United States of America. Number 1. Rehabilitation, not punishment. Both laws prioritize helping children change and reintegrate into society rather than punishing them harshly. Number 2. Separate from adults. They ensure the children in conflict with the law are kept away from adults' criminal detention facilities. Number 3. No punishment for minor offense. Children are not punished for things that aren't crimes for adults, like skipping school or breaking curfew. Number 4. Diversion program. Both offers alternative to court like counsel or community service to avoid formal trials for children. Number 5. Child-centered. They focus on treating children fairly and in ways appropriate to their age and development. In short, both laws aim to protect children, focus on their growth, and keep them out of harmful environments.
That's all for the topic of the similarity and the difference of the Juvenile Welfare Act of the Philippines, or also known as RA 9344, and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from the United States of America. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you.